What's up everybody, Rebel Drift here. Today we're unboxing a Roxy from Evolova. Alright, so legitimately I do not know how to exactly pronounce their name, but this is a Roxy small torso doll from TPE. Normally I don't unbox these things, I only focus pretty much on silicone, and torsos are sometimes the exception of the rule, but mostly I focus on full dolls that are silicone. But either way, they contacted me and they really wanted me to do an unboxing of their product, so that's what we're doing right here. I actually gave them a chance to work with me. And I'm of course honored that they wanted to work with me, because it's all very cool to make contact with people and companies and see what they're all about. So that's pretty nice. And of course this is going to be a very affordable option for people that want to get acquainted with the TPE or silicone doll torso business. So that's pretty cool. So the box is really nice. It has a battery sticker on the side and my address and all that stuff over here. It's a very good cardboard box, and then in here we will find the box that I have to take out right now. Alright, and here we have the box that was in the box. I already took out this flap. Very nicely designed as well. Like everybody knows, I do not work with scripts, so I just unbox as we go. I've not done any research regarding this product, so we're opening it up right now for the first time. There is a warm tips. This product is not waterproof, cannot be put into the bathtub or basin directly for cleaning. Please refer to the manual. So this is something that you have to clean yourself very carefully, probably with like a rinse bottle or anything like that. And yeah, because batteries and that kind of stuff. So we're going to put this to the side real quick. And what we can show right now is there's a manual in here. Apparently it's sucking and vibrating with the butt/downstairs area, if you know what I mean. There is a remote in there, there's a cable in there for charging, and then of course, like I said, the bottle for cleaning. That's pretty much it. The rest is the item itself. The only problem is it's nude, so I have to put on some clothing on her. So we're going to do that real quick. Alright, and here we have her. Thankfully, I still had like a specific bikini set laying around, which actually fits her quite well. Now, because she doesn't have a very long protruding neck, it's difficult to actually tighten the bikini around that. So I took it to the back to where the other straps are from the lower part. There is a button here on the side. And there are these two lines coming out of her, which are probably going to be for the vacuum and or maybe specific cleaning. I have to be careful with what is showing on YouTube, as we're always trying to get this under 18 plus, because we want to show everybody what this is all about and there's no nudity involved. So that's really nice when we can get that. As you can see, it's a very lightweight. It does have a little bit of heft to it. It's very jiggly, which is also very nice. Like I said, you can just easily pick her up. It's just like around 4 or 5 kilograms, I think. And then of course the bum area and the back area, and then the front like this. Like I said, there's a button here. So again, like I said, I don't work with scripts. I want to be amazed myself by opening it up for the first time, checking out everything regarding the quality, put some clothing on to make everything a little bit more nicer and easier to present. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about that. Now we can go over some features, and I'll probably also will use a little bit of voiceover stuff while the torso is being presented. But yeah, you know, like I said, this is just another way for my channel to go, because you of course have very small stuff that you can self-pleasure yourself with, for men and for women. And this is just something that doesn't really fit in your pocket, of course, but it is something that's easy to store, easier than a full-blown torso or full-blown doll, of course. So if you want to get acquainted with TPE or silicone, this is of course a TPE, smaller torso. It's actually very easy to get into contact with specific companies and buy something like this that could make you happy and, you know, get yourself, like I said, acquainted with the materials that are out there in the world. So Evolova did a very great job regarding this small little torso. Like I said, it's very jiggly and the quality seems to be very good. But I also wanted to let you guys know, and gals of course, that in the cardboard box that was in the cardboard box, it was also 2 times sealed with 2 plastic bags, so that's also very good. especially for customs checks and everything. But like I said, she does have a battery. I need to open this up because, you know, I want to show everybody what this is all about. So we have our manual that we're going to check out in a few. We have this little remote control over here, which is nice. I'll put it over here. We have our charging cable, which I suspect I'll have to charge her before I can show anything specific, or if even I can show anything specific. And here you have your like squirting bottle for if you want to get everything clean inside, which is also very nice. Normally they ship these things with like these very thin plastic bottles that aren't really of any good quality, but it seems like this is a very good quality. But it's cool that these things exist and they're nice to showcase. Alright, so this is the Evolova Roxy. Check her out. Overall, this doll is clearly designed with realistic feel and comfort in mind. It stands at about 14 inches or around 36 centimeters tall and weighs roughly 15 pounds or 6 to 7 kilograms for us Europeans out here. In terms of materials, the Roxy uses high quality TPE, which feels soft, flexible and skin-like to the touch. It's called BioFlex, and this means a noticeably softer feel, more natural movement and rebound, no awkward collapsing or slow recovery after pressure. Overall, it feels much closer to the real human softness rather than just being soft or squishy in a generic way. The weight is evenly distributed. When it comes to daily use, Evolova clearly put thought into cleaning and maintenance. It includes a built-in cleaning channel, which makes rinsing much easier. Using a dedicated toy cleaner is recommended. After cleaning, simply let it air dry fully before storing. With proper care, TPE products like this can hold up very well over time, and this one feels no different. To sum it up, the Evolova Roxy is a great option for users who value realistic touch and feel, those who prefer natural skin tones and true-to-life proportions. Anyone looking for a stable, comfortable product they can use long-term. Evolova ships everything in discreet packaging and there's no need to worry about privacy. As always, make sure to check the full specs before purchasing so you can choose the version that's right for you, and don't forget to use my discount code. Alright, so this has been another unboxing by yours truly, Rebel Drifter. Check out evolova.com, check out Roxy and all the other products that they have on the website, and use discount code REBEL for 12% off all products on their website. So that is REBEL, R-E-B-E-L, for 12% discount on all products, including this little Roxy right here from evolova.com. See you guys in the next video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year.